Yeah, I was sleeping.
Nah, I'm not sleeping, bro.
Man, this price action sucks.
Yeah, this price action is lame.
Were you guys in the trade?
I was in longs, but I just
I'm
I
in the
got
long too.
trying to find another entry on my long. I should probably just take it now, but
I'm still holding my position from 16,
oh really?
and yeah,
It's
I
a good
got a
entry.
combine from 37. Shit is not moving. It's trying to push up, but I guess that freaking auto block on a 15-minute, I guess.
I don't see your key. You do that so much. Love you. Love you. All right, my bad. You said you had a combine.
You got a combine long and also a funded account long.
Oh, okay.
There's a weak opening gap kind of blocking it, and it kept rejecting at the 50% of it. And that weak opening gap is also within that 15-minute gap, and there's an order block, so it's a lot of resistance it just
Yeah.
needs to get through. But I feel like if it gets pushed through it, it's gonna shoot up, and that's what I'm counting on, the shooting up part. I'm gonna cut one position.
Little fucking stop this. Let's see if I can get that $100 more.
It's fucking keep rejecting me. This motherfucker. Look at that shit. That same exact spot. Losing my patience. Mm.
I took a scalp short when I got taken out on my long,
Mm-hmm.
and I need about 900 on this eval pass.
Pass.
Yeah, but it's an Apex account. I got a. I forgot that I was a tester for this one
Oh yeah, I remember you
company.
saying that.
Yeah, so they sent me an email saying that there was like an account, Apex 50K account for 90% off. So I was like, oh, I might as well just buy it. I said I have a couple dollars left. I can buy an account with this, so I just bought it. I will take a long here just because I like this
How do you buy?
area.
I mean, how would you buy with Apex though? It's just like you don't know whether you will get paid or
Yeah,
not.
exactly. I mean, I
Like,
figured I'd just buy it. Just I mean, just in case as like a backup to activate. But again, it's not like something I fully believe. Again, I'm not a fan of Apex like that. One second, let me readjust this. Um, at the same time, I would rather have something passed, and then if push comes to shove, I have a backup account that I can get funded, and then if things change, will I have that there? I want to take a long here. I'm gonna buy here, and I'm gonna set my TP at 565. I get stopped out here. 15. If I get to that 15-minute fair value gap, that'd be nice. Up there. I appreciate it. Even though it's only trading one con right now.
I expected for it to be kind of a chop, like but a higher range chop.
Mm-hmm.
But this thing is like kind of stuck
There's
down here.
there is speakers speaking at the moment too. That's affecting this
Oh
as
shit,
well.
really?
Yeah,
Oh fuck me.
and apparently the gentleman that's speaking just can't make the dollar move. I don't know who it is exactly, but
Oh, come on, can we just go back up?
we go.
Push, motherfucker. Come on.
I want to add to my position, but I don't feel like I need to. If we can get this,
I'm trying not to go crazy with my position. Like
yeah, I've been trading with one
since
contract the whole time.
this
Actually, two.
since last night, I've been kind of struggling with my trade.
Okay.
The whole night I was in a short, and it was just stuck, like kept bouncing from my short entry all night. And
Hmm.
finally, this morning, it started coming down. Then I got tired up all night, the frustration from last night. So I took like a 10 points profit,
Okay.
and that thing tanked like 70, 80 points after that immediately. And then obviously the open, tanked down another 100 points.
Oh, yeah, because it's at C today, right? That's what it was.
From yeah, in the afternoon. Like I was so pissed. Like all night I was waiting for that thing to tank, but nope, it kept it stayed up all night.
500. $500. Break even.
No, yes.
Probably gonna get stuff. Let me see.
అంతే చూడు
Stop
That's
at
a
breaking.
zero one. Yeah.
Do you still want to take this long? Thing. Hmm.
Unless you're trying to scalp, I don't see this 5 minute. I can't see. It's okay. There's a reversal coming. If you're trying to scalp, it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can scalp 3 points.
Yeah, I'm just trying to scalp. Nothing really crazy. I'm just trying to
That
scalp
one
up
is
the
fine.
P&L. Honestly,
Yeah.
it's honestly just scalping the P&L to get. Just trying to get to my account to 2,500 real quick, and then I'll look for a nice longer trade to get to another 500 bucks. I'm into with two cons right now. If I can get this thing to like 2,800, I'm cool with that. I really wouldn't even want to try to hold longer than that to even put myself in a bad spot, unless it just shoots up.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's trying to push him for it, but you still got a lot of resistance up here, though.
Yeah.
I mean, unless it clears like 560, there's a weekly gap up there too. That's the problem.
25, 26 or
Then,
27.
then again, we're just past 10:33, so 10:30, so it's kind of a reversal time, I guess.
Yeah.
So I'm also counting on that too. So, and today being FOMC, I'm hoping this would try to come back up and stay somewhere closer to yesterday's close, is what I'm thinking.
27. For the push. Let's go for the push. Push up. Push up. Don't come back down. Push up. 27.
727?
Yeah. 527.
Oh,
I'm about to get it. I break even. Dog on it. I just wait. Just wait it out. It's still in this bullish fair value gap on the 1 hour. I'm just was trying to take longs to see it break out of it.
yeah, I see it's going. Yeah, but it's also inside a weekly gap too. That's the problem.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's why this is struggling so much. Oh man, we're inside another weekly gap. So many weekly gaps are in here.
How you want to do? Okay. Let me try one more time. Over two. Home there. I want to see if this goes through that. Close. Pop up.
There's
So,
hopefully on the 5 minute chart, the last red candle was a sweep.
okay.
It's starting to look like it, but it all depends on how probably this 5 minute candle closes. Mm,
Taking a hit on
it's
this.
going red.
we go. Come on. Give us some green. Give us green. Damn it, I don't want to see that. Yeah, yeah. I don't want to see that. Nvidia's flushing, of course. So close. Nvidia's tanking down some. Expected.
Who are you listening to?
The trading fraternity.
Oh,
He's from San Diego as well. I used to listen to him a long time ago when I used to trade options.
okay.
So he's really into like a lot of the news and stuff like that that comes out. So I kind of keep it in tune with what's going on. I should have been in profit. What the hell just happened? Could have been in profit. That, that. I'm just I'm expecting a bounce here, but
I don't understand. Like, yes, is kind of holding.
yes, it's holding, but not by a lot.
Yeah.
I kind of just want to go short and see where this thing goes. It's just not. Buyers are kind of irrelevant at the moment. Like they're trying, but they're not really trying. That makes sense.
It goes. Probably out of my. Yep. Unbelievable. All night short, and I gonna decide to go long here.
Okay, so it might come down to that. Where's it for? It's gonna fill in that 4 hour gap. 1 hour is what? Nvidia is still coming down, of course. That would have been great. Okay. I'm gonna go with one contract. I just need to make 800. We might get a little small bounce. Let me look. Here if I can get it there. Didn't fill me in. Stop loss. ES is dropping.
Sure. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. That would be great. Come on, man. Fuck, push. Yeah. Oh, it's fine. I don't think I'm meant to have a top step account.
I think you are. You just got to be patient with it, my brother. You already know.
Ah, I want to take it easy. I want to wait till another payout before I buy another top step account. I don't know what's up. It's just fucking up with that account.
Oh, I did it.
I mean,
Wait, that
what?
should have been 3,000. It's at 3,300. What? Oh, okay.
You gotta lose money now?
Nah. I said it was at 3,300 right when I closed the trade, but it took me to 2,500. That was weird.
Oh, you're talking about the flash?
Yeah, that was so weird.
Sometimes it flashes some bigger number. I don't know why it does that. I almost think it kind of telling you it's gonna go in that same direction.
Probably. I'm gonna see if I can scalp.
I don't know. I'm just saying. Like I've seen it so many times where when I close my account position,
Mm-hmm.
like I see this number flashing, and it looks like much bigger than what I actually have, and it flashes for a second.
Get to this real quick. How much do I need? I need this thing to pop up. $100. Come on, come on, right there. Don't do me like this.
Oh, come on! I think this is serious buyers coming in now, so we may see some push up. I like the 1 minute candles that I'm seeing, those strong candles.
I did it. All right, cool. That's that one. Sweet.
Nice. Do you get it right away or tomorrow?
We'll get it tomorrow, I think.
Okay.
I'll be able to afford the activation fee when I get paid tonight.
Nice.
Um, and then just trade like I did today. I literally, man, like literally after a conversation yesterday, I was like, all right, cool. I'm gonna, like I said, I was going to do. I was only going to trade 1 or 2 contracts, but when it got to a point where I saw where price was really giving me a chance to go more, a little bit heavy, I did, and I went with 4. I let the trade do its thing, and then close out on a profit area that I was okay with, so that I didn't have to stress about the trailing drawdown, and then just went back to 1 and 2 contracts.
Nice. You still got that account from yesterday, or is
I did not. I lost that last night with exactly what you were
that last
talking
night?
about, the same trade that you were trying to get into. I was doing the same exact thing, and
I saw your message that you said you were trying to take a loan. Oh my
yeah,
god, that pop at
that
1 o'clock.
long pissed me off, bro. I had my order right there, and it did not fill. We were watching Harry Potter. I see the setup. I drew out the fair value gap, and I was like, "Oh, price is perfect right here. Let me put in a limit order." I put in a limit order. It was like a couple ticks away from where it was like it.
Oh damn.
And then I just look. I
Yeah,
look
that
at
pop was crazy. I mean, it wasn't a lot of volume, but it popped
man. I was
almost
looking at this.
100 points.
I was looking at my TV. I was like, "Oh, okay." Then I look right back at my monitor. I was like, "Damn, that's a big ass green candle. Hopefully, I'm in it." And I looked, and I was like, "I wasn't filled." I was like, "Are you shitting me right now?"
I was in a short even before that one, so because of that, I kept holding my short.
Mm-hmm.
So, but luckily, luckily, you know what I did? Literally, like 30 seconds before that pop, I decided to cut my position size down.
Okay.
Otherwise, I would have blown my funded account. Because I cut it down, I was still alive
Okay.
and managed to, bring it back into green this morning.
Man, I was hot. I was like, "Are you shitting me right now? Like that just happened?" And I'm like, "I just saw
Yeah,
it."
I wish I was so long at that time too. Would have been, dude. What I wanted to do was long after the Asia,
Mm-hmm.
not after the Asia, like around 7:30, 7:45. But I
Yeah.
was driving at that point,
Okay.
so I kept missing every time it did a pullback to this 5:45 area. I kept missing it,
Okay.
and every time I look at my chart on my phone, for the price is around 570, 565. I'm
Okay.
like, I didn't want that. I wanted to be back in somewhere around 550 area.
Uh-huh.
But I kept missing it. I finally got tired of it and then decided to go short. And that's where I got stuck. Like I wanted long, but I kept missing that entry point,
Mm-hmm.
and I out of the frustration, I guess I went and shorted it.
Yeah, bro. I was I was surprised because I was like, man, I'm actually charting pretty well today. Like I
That
see
came out of nowhere though. That was all bot
like
because there
it
was no
had to be,
deal. There
yeah.
was nothing.
But again, like it was like more of just the understanding, like, damn, okay, I see there's a fair value gap. There's like an area where we could see some maybe a pop. I didn't expect it to be that huge of a pop. Don't get me wrong. I didn't
Oh, right.
expect
You usually
that,
don't see that in the pop.
but I thought we were going to see a nice pop. I didn't think it was going to be 100-point move like that.
Yeah, that was one hell of a pop. I'm like, fucking, I was so fucking annoyed with that. And then all night, that fair, that pop created a fair value gap, like almost 15 minute, 5 minute first, then 15 minute, then an hourly fair value gap, and because of that, price was so hard for it to come down all night. I was literally watching paint dry all night, only to close only to close my position with a 10-point profit. I'm literally after I closed it, that thing tanked like 70 points.
Uh, that was great. That was a nice little
I'm not
trade. That was
kidding.
nice.
I literally it literally tanked literally like 10 seconds later, 10, 20 seconds later, it tanked.
Hmm.
Oh, I was so pissed. I had it two contracts, and it was my funder family account too, so I could have made like 2 to 3K and still would have been okay.
Was that the funded? They gave you your funded already?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
No,
Okay.
that was my mistake because it was just like a top step.
Uh-huh.
You have to go into the account and just activate it yourself. But the email
Oh.
I got said, give us 24 hours and we'll let you know, kind of thing. So
Okay.
I was waiting for them to send me an email.
Is the
And
my bad.
yeah, and then finally at the end of the day, last night, I asked in the Discord chat, "Hey, how long do I have to wait for this?" And then someone in there told me, it should be there in 2 to 3 hours, and this is what you got to do. And when I looked at it, when I followed that direction,
Hmm.
it was literally there. It was like, oh,
Oh,
it was
damn.
just 2 clicks away.
So
I could have,
is it like how my Fun Futures is set up? So like once you pass it, you can go into. Is it like right away that you can go and pass it and get your
no, it's
funded
not
account?
right away. You
Oh,
do have to wait until the end of the day for
got you.
the
Okay,
system to update.
got you. Okay.
But once it updates, I think it's right away. This piece of shit just won't give me what I need. What the hell?
Then give me my points back.
Hmm.
I want to know if they can give me my combines back. So I haven't heard anything back yet.
Man, this thing is like just trending down, trending down. I don't know why. I guess this is going to be the case until FOMC.
Probably.
I cannot get this account above $500 profit.
Above.
Yeah, I cannot get it above 500. Just keep rejecting. As soon as I get to that zone where I'm 500, it's a resistance zone and it keeps dropping. So my account goes to 500, then back down to red. 500, back down to red. And I'm trying to get it above 500, make more than 500, and watch, here it goes again. I don't want to add and put myself in a bad situation. I'm just gonna keep this position till it goes up. I don't. Man, I was short from 640, 657. Can you believe that?
That's freaking crazy.
Damn. That's
Yeah,
almost
I
two
wonder what my
points I could
code.
have.
It was 7997 for Certify, right? Beforehand.
What's that?
My affiliate code was 97997.
No, it's that. Wasn't it 7902?
7997, I think that's what it was. I had changed it on
Oh
the,
yeah, no, 7997. Yeah, but you changed it to something else though.
but they said they just sent me an email saying that I can't do a custom code until I get required $1,000 in commission.
Oh,
So I don't know why I'm allowed to change it on the website, but it's not actually that.
yo, can I get a pop like it did last night? That
Around.
100 point pop. Jeez.
Yeah, you'll get that at FOMC for sure.
I cannot trade FOMC, so I pretty much have to be out before Powell start talking. That's where top stuff would be nice to have. Alright, I'm taking the next 500 and watch. As soon as I take that 500, this thing is gonna fly.
Real
I'm
quick.
not taking the 500. Oh, is Trump talking to that?
I am not sure.
That dude is gonna destroy our trading for the next 4 years. He, he just goes out and starts talking to reporters and tweets stuff out, makes the market go crazy.
Yeah, she said she can give me a reset, courtesy reset. I don't know if it's gonna be on both of the accounts, but I'll be able to get a reset.
For
Top
which
step,
one?
my top step combines.
Well, okay.
Remember, I was telling you I was having issues with when I was taking trades on my phone.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Like I'm on Wi-Fi, and I'm like, it wasn't tripping with the other trades I took, but all of a sudden it just bugged out weird. Like, yeah, can't get you a refund, but I can do a courtesy reset. I'm like, well, it happened on two accounts, and I have reached out about it, but I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully, it can happen. If so, that's cool. I'll be able to trade today. If I get a reset on, I mean, at least if I get a reset on one of them, if she looks in to see for the second one, cool. And I get reset it, sweet. I'll try and pass. I'll try and get the 1500 today, and then from there, I'll go ahead and trade before I go into work tomorrow, or attempt to try to trade before I go into work tomorrow. And then,
I'm gonna wait on top stuff. I don't know. For some reason, I cannot. So I passed for the past few days. I've tried. I'm okay with the first day. The second day, I can't get that 4,500. I
dang,
don't know.
it's so freaking weird right now for me. I'm the same. Like I get 1500 and I'm good, and then second day, I'm like, what am I doing? Like, where is this person that I was like, where's this at? What happened? Like,
Okay, think about it this way, okay?
okay,
I think I know what my problem is. Because for the first day, it usually happens after 11 o'clock. Because by the time I get the account and then set up everything, by the time I'm done with the other accounts and I try to start trading the top step one, it's past 11 o'clock. And I think I do better with the, scalping at that point with
yeah,
the high, bigger position. That's why I get my first 4,500. But you know what happens? Then I go into the Asia market, or I would try to trade that account early in the morning. I end up losing it.
yeah. It's because you wouldn't pass it all in one complete day.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
do the same
trying to
exact
pass
thing.
it so quick.
Yep.
But I feel like if I were to just wait till next day at 11 o'clock and then trade it just like I did the day before, I feel
Same.
like I probably would have passed.
I'm right there with you. I'm doing the same exact thing, bro. 50% off on swing accounts. Ooh. I always wanted to have my own uh live account so I can swing trade.
You gotta have a lot of money though.
Yeah, for real.
If you want to swing one contract entry, I think you're gonna need like 16 or 20, somewhere closer to $20,000 just for one contract.
I'm down. Get me to that. I'm down. This Phidias prop firm. Have you heard of them?
What is it?
Phidias, Phidias.
No, I think I saw that on Kyle's yesterday. Is that the same?
Yeah. I've been getting emails from them for some time now. They have swing accounts.
Oh,
Um,
okay. Prop accounts. Okay.
yeah, they have right now they got 50% discount on swing accounts and 50% on the activation fee. So and then they have I think they're a company in France or something like that if I'm not mistaken because a lot of their when I first was looking into them because Kyle was talking about them a while back
Yeah.
and they were like, oh, a lot of the like people were like, how do you understand what they're saying on the thing because it's in French? And they were like, oh, Google Translation. What do you mean? And they're like, oh,
Oh,
okay.
wow. Wait, so
I
it's
think
not
it's
even in English?
I think it's changed now. Well, the email and stuff is in English, but beforehand, a lot of the stuff was in French.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh my god, this piece of crap just won't go up.
Yeah, it's still in that 1 hour, too. And then it's in the 4 hour too. Like it keeps touching that bullish for value gap, but it just nothing's really happening from it. And we're already for me it's 8 o'clock, but I am happy that with Apex they finally did lessen the days for payout to 8. But
Oh yeah, that was even more. But the problem is people are still saying their payouts are getting denied. So I don't want
yeah,
to do that.
they're
I
saying
do have a little concern when it comes to that with the funder family too,
mm-hmm,
because I haven't heard anybody saying anything, but in their rules they meant they say stuff like strategy, follow your strategy, don't try to try to take advantage of the volatility and stuff like that.
mm-hmm.
So I don't know when I submit a payout request if they're going to look at my trades and say, oh no, you weren't really following a strategy, you were just going in and out or anything like that.
No, I don't think it would be like that. I think it's just more of the fact that they just want to have that in the term agreements just so that you're like it's there. But I don't think
Okay.
it's really an issue when it comes down to it because again, everybody trades different, so you can't really just say like, oh, this person doesn't know how to trade, even though they made money. They know how to trade, but they're losing money. Like the fact it's not like I don't feel like it's viewed that way. I think it's just there so that you know the importance for yourself that hey have a strategy when you're doing this because just the fact that you're trading our capital,
Right, right.
but I feel like
Okay,
you
fine.
should be
If you
fine.
want something like that, that's fine.
I feel like you're fine. I just don't feel like it's more of like it's gonna hold you back. Unlike with Apex, like I feel with Apex right now, it comes down to even when people that are getting denied, they still have, you know, they're still told to trade a couple extra days and making $50 for those days. Like, from what I'm hearing, like, the people they'll get denied based off of whatever situation may be, but they still are able to have the account and still have to trade, you know, the next like a couple of days, but making $50 each, have to make $50 each day. Which, I mean, that's not hard. I mean, just go in with micros and make 50
Yeah.
bucks. But at the same time, I feel like, you know, it sucks that the denials are so big. But again, I think of it at this way, that it's holding back the people that are trying to gamble their way to some money. And there's a lot of people that are using prop firms as a way to gamble. Like, don't get me wrong, we all can make money, but I feel like they're really standing on business by like holding people back from trying to gamble these accounts, because that is a lot of money coming out of their pockets to pay these people.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
I respect it, but it sucks because, you know, the people that really do trade correctly get effed over so quickly, even though it's not their fault. It's
Yeah.
because of other people. So that's why I'm still, you know, I agree with a lot of people when they talk about Apex, but as the person kind of really taking into consideration like the situation that they're in, one, they're in a lawsuit. Two, you know, that's a lot of money that they're having to pay a lot of people because they're charging so cheap for these accounts. People are gonna spend
Yeah. That's
so
true.
much money on these cheap ass accounts.
Yeah.
When they do so, okay, like if I can gamble my way to get a $40,000 payout in eight
Right.
days, I'm gonna try to do whatever the hell I can, you know. So I think they're trying their best to stand on business so that people don't really like. But then a lot of people are going to talk crap. A lot of the prop firms are going to talk crap because, oh, I can do this and this and still make, you know, my 40K. I'm like, yeah, that's cool. Why don't you try and do all of them then, so you can make, you know, $300,000 a month with, you know, X amount of companies. Like, but at the same time, I still like, it sucks, yes, but outside looking in, like, okay, yeah, I get it. They're trying so their best to make sure that they have real legit traders, profitable traders, and consistent traders, and not gamblers and people just trying to buy cheap accounts. And then,
Right, but then when you hear people, people like we hear from people like Reggie and stuff.
yeah.
What's that about then?
But he said his issue was because it was risk management, and then he like on your. So the cool thing I like about this platform that I'm using with this company, Wealth Charts, they show you your 30% drawdown on your trade. So
Okay.
it shows you. So like for him, for instance, if he's trading on Trade or Arithmetic, it's not going to show him. So if he's in a trade and that happens, it sucks for you because it's like, damn, you got to at least keep your stops a little bit tighter just so that it doesn't happen. And that was with his problem. He got into a trade that hit his 30%, but still went into his favor, but it was still triggered because it was there. And that's why they stopped him from, that's why they denied him.
Is Apex still? I mean, I don't think Funded Family or any Take Profit or any of those
No,
companies has that
no, they
30%.
don't. Well, again,
Okay.
it's because it's to take off the dollar cost average, they implemented this thing as a replacement.
Okay. Okay.
If that makes any type of sense, because again, like DCA is okay, like, you know, in any type of prop firm, it's okay. It's part of the
Right.
game. But for their way to kind of have some type of control of it, they don't want you to in the funded states. They don't want you to get to a point of like you trading and letting a trade go way past the 30%, and then, you know, oh, it goes back into your favor, but that's showing that your risk management was off, that you weren't keeping a tighter stop loss or managing your trade better for that it wouldn't happen. But I mean, you know, I get it. I understand it. It sucks because, you know, again, as a trader like you that likes to hold on to a trade longer than it needs to be, so that well, not needs to be, but allows the trade to breathe. They
For me, I wouldn't pass those accounts
True.
The 30% is like, yeah, there's nothing for me. 4,500, so that the 30% would be almost 1,300. That's a normal. That's a norm for me going into $1,300 drawdown. Yo, this shit is. Should I just get out of this thing? As soon as I say something like that, it just pops. Look at that.
Look at all the
Looks
15
like
minute.
now it's trying to get back up.
Yeah, 480 to it went up a good 20 some points.
It's just a freaking trend right now. I need to break that trend.
Normally, we would not provide more than one or two. However, I went ahead and reset the accounts. Will you please take a look? Thank you so much.
Can somebody please push
I got my
this
accounts
thing?
reset. Let's go. Thank you, Top Step. Shout out to Top Step. Even though you took off my affiliate link.
They probably don't need that anymore.
No, they really don't.
Yeah, 100,000 members, so that's enough for them to spread the word.
Yeah, for real. All right, cool. I can trade Top Step X now.
Can you come in and push this market up, bro?
Man, if I had my own personal account, I totally
Like
would.
a $1 billion account?
Imagine, bro, we had money like that.
What's that?
I said, imagine if we had money like that.
Oh yeah, if you had like $1 billion, yes, we can definitely move the market.
Man, well, of course, yeah.
I'd be like, Judah, we're going up. All right, I'm buying it.
Got you. Got you. But at the same time, man, we would have been
here for too long. Let's push it up.
man. But if we had money like that, bro, we would have been. I would have been like, yo,
We
George,
wouldn't be doing this, right?
George, let's go on vacation, man. We've already made 4 million today. Let's just go. I'll meet you. I'll get you a plane ticket. I'll meet you in somewhere. Nah, I'll probably go to like Europe, something, man. I would like to go. I'll meet you in London.
Is Kyle trading today?
I'm pretty sure he trades every day. Let me. Where's my remote?
Dude, he was trading even at around 4:30 yesterday. I'm
Yeah.
like, dude, you need to stop.
Man, he's got so much money to lose, and he just got another payout from Top Step. His other last fifth payout from them. Let me grab my remote. My remote's on the couch.
People who just gambles and and then.
I mean, yeah. He don't really doesn't care.
He doesn't care if he loses the account or not.
No.
Even if it's not an account.
I mean, the other day he did. The other day he was pissed because the copy trader situation. But outside of that, no, he doesn't really care too much. Where's the hold it? 1 second. Let's see.
Oh, he's not live today.
Face?
I don't think he's live today.
Oh no, he's not. He's in the Amazon.
What do you mean?
In South America, he's in the Amazon. Him and his lady went on that.
Okay.
I remember him saying something about that.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I think I heard him saying something like coming back in a few days or something.
Yeah. Should be back either next week or something. Okay. All right, cool. We got our accounts. I'm not gonna copy trade them. I'm gonna just wait. Thank you, Top Step.
Man, this thing is like worse than last night. I don't know how I end up in this like a congested situation like this.
So the 1 minute looks bearish. I mean, we could take a little scalp. It is. I'm actually gonna see if I can get in a long here.
Order filled.
Number two contract. Wait, this out here.
Order filled.
I did. Okay. Euro close in 12 minutes. This got here. Tesla has earnings today. Ooh,
What is it?
Tesla has earnings today.
It does? Oh,
Yeah.
great.
Order
So
filled.
Tesla and FOMC, geez. This thing, the market is going to be shitty then. I just got
Order
15
filled.
points.
Order filled.
Dude, this thing just cannot break to the top. I just hope today the whole day would be like this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Market doesn't want to pop up at all.
Order filled.
Take my. Yeah.
Order filled.
Okay. Don't want to give me that at all either. All right, cool.
Order filled.
Sweep the lows in if you want to go that route. Sweep the lows and let's let it be.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay. It is.
Order filled. Order filled.
On my TPT account.
Order filled.
Oh. What happened? What did I do? Now it wants to go up, of course.
Order filled.
I used to share it, yes, and now like I don't understand like what is actually a reversal for ES. Like how many points is considered as a reversal kind of thing, you know?
I have no clue either. I haven't touched ES like that in such a long time.
I know it's been a while for me.
Order
ES is
filled.
pushing up.
Ooh, nice. Got that on that account. Let's see if I can make my 1200 back. Leave myself on 14. A couple. That's only 1 minute. For a bonus fair value gap.
Is there a fair value gap? I don't think there is.
No, only on the 1 minute. There is.
Oh, okay.
But that's what I was like.
It's pretty clean all the way.
Yeah, that's what I'm just waiting for.
3 minutes is clean all the way. The only thing standing between price going up and is this the weekly gap, midpoint of the weekly gap, which is 512. Trying to push it through.
Back down a little bit. It'll take a while. Back down to 500.
Order filled.
I want it. All right, whatever.
Order filled. Order
Maybe
filled.
at lunch hour, you might start to grind up.
Just take one.
It looks like it's starting to get ready for that.
Order filled.
This one, a little taste. Okay.
So I still have access to the what do you call it? Level 2
Really nice.
with the thing is I don't know how to use it.
Yeah, I don't know how to use. I only did use that. Know how to use it when I was trading options.
I don't get those views. I don't know. I mean, I can see price the bids all and bids and offers all the way up until 531.
It's kind of like time and sales. It's kind of like time and sales.
Time and sales either.
It's more or less of like where money's being bought, where the liquidity's being bought at.
we don't know I mean, how do we know whether it was somebody who was selling that they had, or is it a new sell?
Just depends, honestly. It's just orders being placed. It's orders being placed there, and if they get bought up, then you see that's where prices move. Price will move. If that makes sense.
I don't know. I tried to learn that thing, but I don't get it. So from the live account I had, so I still have access to the L12, which means
Order
I can
filled.
see like almost 100 ticks
Okay.
further, but no use for me. Oh my god, I keep dropping this thing.
I'm gonna lose this little account. Not me out already, damn it. Let me just lose this account.
Order filled.
Thanks.
Oh, nice.
And did it respect it? It did not. Damn. All right, let me go to my other account. I'm not even gonna bother. I'm going with one contract. I just need to make.
This is the 11:30.
Actually, let me
This
go.
is the London cell close.
Yeah. We'll go with micros here. You. Let's see. I just need to make. How much do I need to make? Probably like $50. I can take a short here.
Order filled.
I need
This thing just don't give it to me.
I don't. Make that much. Risk 50 to make 50. And this. I get here.
Order filled.
Let's go. Seven, 8, 9. Good. Perfect. Perfect retracement. Come down. There you go. Come on. Wiggle on down, baby. There you go. Sweep that. Okay. Come on down. So Euro close. We did get a little drop. Nothing crazy. See if it continues.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Yeah. Let me come back to you in a minute, okay?
All right.
Alright,
50. I'll get my piano to 450 player. 450. There you go. $100. I think I would have got it though. I would have kept my take profit where it was at before. Give me the 480, I guess. Oh, there you go. Come on, baby. Order fill. Order fill. Order fill. Order fill. What? Order fill, please. Order fill. What are you doing? Order fill. Order fill. Order fill. Order fill.
Order filled.
Thank you. Hey, cool. Let's go here. Don't want to trade any more of this account all day. Cool. This account here. See if I can make my 40 bucks. See if I can- it's only on the 1 minute though. Can't really be even tripping. If you get to come down, respecting this so much. Crazy. 1 minute is just getting respected out the tail.
Order filled.
Damn, don't stop me out. Put this in. I have my order there. I didn't think it was gonna come down like that. But I don't know, prices wanted to come down to that fair value gap anyways. Damn. 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 Sheesh. Sheesh. I guess I should have taken that short. I was thinking about taking a short here, but I wanted to take a long. I didn't think we are gonna be like that. Sheesh. I can't average in because it's just gonna give me out the account quicker. So if I can save a little bit, if I can make like $50 every trade on micros, I think I can save myself a little bit. Good thing I didn't copy trade. I'm gonna get stopped out.
Order filled.
And there goes the account probably. $6? Oh my gosh.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yep, we lost it. Good, whatevers. Cool, good trading sesh. We got one account pass. We got one account halfway pass. Yeah, that's fine. I'm not really. Pass one account. I'm not gonna trade this more. Got another account. See, I could have just waited for the liquidities. Grab and then pop. Yep. Just could have waited a little longer. Would have had it. All good though. Great job. Great job, chat. A lot better of a trading session than these past couple days, I'm not gonna lie. We did what we were supposed to do. What is it? It's in 2 days. Yeah. Okay, finish up this. Good. All right, great job. Ooh. I wouldn't get one. All right, so chat, we had a great session so far. Even though we lost the combine, wasn't really too worried about it, but it does suck. Don't get me wrong. But that's good. We passed that Apex account. Then we did. We got almost 50% on our evo. Yeah, on our eval, and hopefully by tomorrow I'll be able to activate my Apex account, and then with Top Step before I go into work tomorrow, I'll try and get the second half of that finished. Just depends. We'll see. Outside of that, we should be good. That's gonna be a little pricey. Let's see. So tomorrow, one, two, three, four. Yeah, pushing it. That is pushing it to the limit. Yesterday, I think. I'll do what it do. But yeah, other than that, I'm not gonna be trading anything else. I'm good. I made my money over my accounts. Don't want to overtrade. Definitely have to stay disciplined with myself with like not buying more accounts and doing all this other stuff just trying to make extra money. But you know, it's a slow process when it comes to trading for sure. You know, I don't want to.
Yeah, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Thank you, thank you. You're in a trade or not?
Nope. Actually, I'm done trading. To be honest,
You got your 1500 from the for the other one?
I got 1480 something.